Hello friends, join me for self-care shopping. So I share with you everything I use to achieve clear, beautiful skin, plus hygiene products I use to smell fresh and clean always. So this is the first thing I'm shopping today, and this is my cleanser, CeraVe Renewing Cleanser. It gently cleanses, exfoliates while softening the skin. So this acts like a mild exfoliator for everyday use, as well as cleanses so it removes all impurities on your skin and you achieve a very smooth skin. Using this, you will hardly have pimples or acne. Very good. A cleanser is a very important skincare basic. So these are other options. This is the foaming cleanser. It removes. So if you have oily skin, this one is good for you. I use both. On days I have a lot of oil, most especially days I use makeup, this is what I go for. But get yourself a cleanser. Cleanser is very important for daily use. So your skin, it cleans your skin. You don't have impurities on your skin. Second very important skincare basic I'm buying today are these exfoliating gloves. There are a variety of them here for you to choose, whichever works for you. But this will help scrub your skin with your soap so all impurities are out. You cannot just rely on your soap without a mild exfoliating scrub like this to help remove impurities on your skin. So this is something I use on a daily to make sure all dirt comes out of my body and my skin remains so clean, pores fresh. And when impurities are on your skin, you tend to have clogged pores. So this is very important. Whichever works for you, there are a variety of them for you to choose. So I'm getting this at Target, and this is not a sponsored video. I just had to share my self-care shopping with you. The next very important thing I'm getting is this St. Ives apricot scrub. I use it on the rest of my body. This is what I use on my entire body, excluding my face. My face, I use the gentle cleansing exfoliator I shared at the beginning, and this is just for my body, and I use this once a week. So I'm taking this home and I'll share with you my shopping bag at the end. Yeah, so this is what I use on my hair. I love this coconut vanilla shampoo to wash my hair. Remember, I love vanilla and I love to always smell good. When you wash your hair with this shampoo, it smells so good. Yeah, so this is my shampoo. I love it. It is natural without parabens and chemicals. This is what I go for, and I will share with you details at the end. This is from Native, and it is Native Hair Moisturizing Shampoo. And now let's get to smelling fresh and clean, hygiene. So deodorants, you already know, these are very good to have your armpit smell fresh, and these are paraben free, aluminum free, very good for your body without chemicals, and allows your armpit smell so fresh. And yeah, so I always get these two as well to clean my ears, my navel, very important for hygiene. So you don't have, how your ears can be dirty and dark inside, so that is good. Plus this, I get this as well for cleansing, those areas, my navel, my face. At times when I want to use my cleanser, I have to use these cotton oval balls and clean my face with. And yeah, so this is so important for hygiene and skincare as well. So this is something I'm getting home today. And what else are we shopping for? Skincare. Let's go to the self-care aisle, and yeah, most especially intimate hygiene. This is what I'm getting here. This honey pot, I love their products. I'm getting one of these to wash my down there with, most especially when you expose your body out and use a restroom that is not really clean. You want to have this at home so it washes any possible bacteria before it cultures and you start having that bad odor coming from down there. So this is very important. And this cucumber aloe vera foaming wash is so good. Aloe vera helps to cleanse bacteria. And yeah, so this is my shopping bag. I could not take you everywhere, but I'll share with you everything I got and we get over it. So this is the cleanser I got, very important for daily use. The exfoliator, the St. Ives exfoliator I got, and my gloves, exfoliating gloves for everyday use. So I use that glove with my regular Dove soap, This is the soap I use, Dove. It's for sensitive skin. That is so regular, so it doesn't cause issues down there for me. And yeah, I also got this from Bath and Body Works, this vanilla sugar body wash. When I want to smell vanilla, most especially at bedtime, I love using vanilla at bedtime, so I smell all fresh and good. So I just got that spray and the body wash from Bath and Body Works to smell vanilla, and this shampoo is a vanilla shampoo. This is a vanilla deodorant. I love me some vanilla, and this is my toner, then the honey pot wash. So let me take it down slowly again for you to understand. I was so fast. So this is the cleanser I use on my face on a daily, because you need to cleanse impurities on your skin so nothing stores up on your skin causing acne and pimples. Then I use this St. Ives apricot scrub on a daily, once every week, to ensure my skin is deeply exfoliated. These are my gloves I use on a daily with my body wash to ensure my skin is clean, all impurities out, so I have a beautiful smooth skin. So these gloves are very important, or any exfoliating sponge you can get. I shared a variety already, so you can choose. And I got this from Bath and Body Works as well. I use this when I want to smell good at bedtime. This vanilla, warm vanilla sugars body wash and the spray, I use it at bedtime. So I smell really beautiful. I love vanilla, and yeah, so I got that, as well as I got this is shampoo for my hair, so my hair smells fresh, clean, with some, it is made with coconut and vanilla. So if you know, I already love some vanilla, and yeah, I love me some vanilla. So this is the toner I use. This is a rose water toner, just to have my face fight aging and have my skin beautiful. This is my deodorant, and it is coconut vanilla as well. I love me some vanilla, and yeah, I equally got this from Sephora. This Brazilian Crush 62, the one I had is gone, and I had to buy another one. I rely on this a lot for evenings, bedtime, or to for sexy date outs, and just to smell good. So these are the things I bought today. Thanks for joining me for my self-care shopping. As a woman, we all want to take care of ourselves so we appear looking presentable and neat. So these are the tips I basically share with you, your next door girl. Everything we need to do to always look good with beautiful healthy skin. This is me, Risa, in case you do not see me at the beginning. These are the things I use to achieve beautiful, healthy skin, smelling fresh and good as well. I thought of sharing with you. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Share my videos with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.